Now, I want to talk a little bit about self-pacing. You've probably figured out by now that in this class, you can go as fast or as slow as you want to. You may have been racing through the tutorials so far because they taught you skills you already know. If you're new to computers, you might have really had to watch some of these a few times and figured out as you went. Looking around the room, you might see other people ahead of you. You'll probably see other people behind you as well. In this class, you are going at your own pace, as fast or slow as you need to go. So the rate of other people doesn't matter as long as you get where you need to go on time. There are a number of tools that are designed to help you stay on track in this class, to keep your pace going so that you don't fall behind. If you go too slowly, then you run the risk of not passing the class before the end of the semester, not finishing. But talk to your teacher about the rate that you're going and stay in touch with the teacher. That's the only person you really need to worry about besides yourself. Look at what you're doing and how fast you're doing it, and pretty soon you're going to get to the pacing guide portion of these tutorials, which will teach you how to manage your own progress. But the key here is managing yourself. Some students make the mistake when they see a self-paced class of tuning out, of saying, well, there's no teacher standing there telling me what to do next, so I don't really know what to do, or I won't do anything. Please don't fall into that trap yourself. You're only going to hurt yourself. You're the one who needs to get your education, pass this class, move on, do great video projects, and do things beyond what you're doing just in this classroom. And the key to getting there is finishing this class. The advantage of self-paced classes is you can go at your own pace. You can get through this as quickly as you want to, and so try to inspire yourself. Later, you're going to learn to set goals to help you inspire yourself, but right now I want to give you a pep talk and say, you can do this, you can finish this class. You might even be able to finish it early if you really set yourself the goal of being as efficient as possible, working through these tutorials, and asking for help when you need it. And in my experience of teaching self-paced classes, the number one thing you can do to make yourself go faster is get help from the teacher. There are students who get frustrated, and it'll probably happen to you, and who don't get help. The whole purpose of a self-paced class is so that when you are stuck, there's a teacher who isn't in the middle of something who can get in and help you with where you're at right at that moment. Please take advantage of that opportunity. Get some help from a teacher or from a peer, from another student who seems to have figured it out and who you trust. Go up and say, hey, how'd you do that? Show me really quick, and most people are happy to help. They want to help, and if you take advantage of that, you will create a sense of belonging to the classroom, you'll create a better sense of community, and you'll get your own work done faster. Work fast in this class by connecting with other people when you need it.